glad I met you here. I was even going to your house to come and see you.
Any problem? That your new boyfriend mother have finished you. Makaigini, eh? What did I do again?
Could you believe that yesterday at Omada's meeting, she told everybody to warn you to leave her son alone? The one that baffles me yesterday, that she said that you use sham to hold his son. That one is the one that makes me to shed tears. Mercy, now one for you. I don't understand you and that boy. You.
She said that?
Yes.
So how do you now hear it? Was it not my mother? My mother told me this when she came back from Omada's meeting yesterday. And I said to myself, I can't even wait to come and tell you. So that woman have mind. Eh? She have mind to be broadcasting my name like this. So she have mind. That woman is... Alright.
Mercy, where are you going? Are you not going where you are going before? Now what for you? Mercy, come back now.
What is really happening to me? Yeah, what is happening to me? Eh? Is it a crime for me to have a boyfriend? Is it a crime for me to have a boyfriend? A man of my own? Eh? The Oyibo man that came to this country just because of me. My mother stopped me of seeing him. Now Anna met Uzo. Eh? Uzo that fall in love with me. Uzo that have been crying, that have been dying for me. Now I have accepted him. Eh? Everybody are now poking nose, blaming me, insulting me, eh? Calling me names. Even her mother. Hi, Chineke. Neya bena balem. Eh? She's now broadcasting my name everywhere. Even in the meeting. In the meeting whereby everybody is coming there, why is she broadcasting my name? She should stop broadcasting my name because I can't take this. Yes, I can't take this. This one is the one my mother will hear now. She will start blaming me. She will even break my head. Why is she broadcasting my name? Is it a crime for me to have a love? Please answer me. Is it a crime for me to have a love? Now wow. At times, I'll begin to think, if I'm just like other girls will have their own way. But if I try to have my own way, one thing or the other will block me. Why? Why now? Eh? I am Mercy. Am I not beautiful? Please, am I not beautiful? If I'm not beautiful, please tell me, am I not beautiful? Eh? Why is Mama Uzo broadcasting my name? Why is she insulting me? Calling me names? I must go there and confront her. Yes, I will never leave this. I must go to Uzo's house and confront him and the mother. I can't take this any longer. Ogenede. Onani Mesoroy. For what? Nonsense. I am going there. Obi, why are you running? Who is pursuing you? Mercy, please. Don't say that I tell you anything, no. I overheard you said you want to go to Uzo's house. Please don't mention my name, oh. Don't mention my name. Please don't put me in trouble. Okay? That is why I said let me rush and come and tell you. Because I see you are very annoyed. Please, have a nice day. Bye-bye. I know, but I don't need to mention anybody's name. What you even did, you did a very great job by telling me. Because, I take you as a friend. A friend cannot see something that is killing him or her and now keep quiet. So I take you as a friend. Thank you very much. I'm not going to expose your name, okay? Don't worry, take it easy. Just go. Bye-bye. I must go to that place. Yes, let me just go and dress.